it's Sadie with DEWALT, back here at Acme Tools to show you our DEWALT ToughWire cable hanging system today. This system is fast, up to 28% faster than our competitors to install. It's strong with wire components designed to support a variety of tough applications, and easy. You can securely handle it with gloves. You'll combine wire assemblies, locking devices, components, and accessories with ToughWire cable hangers to create a suspension system solution created for HVAC, sheet metal, electrical, and pipe applications. This one here is going to be your Strut Lock, and in order to adjust it, you're going to depress this here, and it's going to let you adjust the height that you need it at. Then you release, that locks it in, and you're going to spin this here to lock it down. This one's great for different devices like holding this assembly for pipe. This locking device here is called Tough Lock, and with this one, essentially what you're going to do is pass the wire down through to the device, and then it goes back up through the bottom. It's great with little arrows there to help you with the direction, and then to adjust, you depress this pin, lets you adjust up and down as needed, tighten, loosen, and then when you're finished, you push up to lock that in, and you can trim this within 2 inches of the device. To use our Tough Lock locking device, you're going to take your wire and pass it through the entry channel. Then essentially you would go down around your material and then back up through the channel right here. It does have arrows that show you what direction to pass that through. So this would be holding like a pipe or a piece of duct. You can push the pin here if you need to adjust it up and down. And then our final locking assembly is called Square Lock, and this comes with or without a pad. And essentially you can mount these to ducting and then hang it here, and then it passes through and has that adjustable pin as well. DEWALT ToughWire comes in multiple cable diameters and lengths and has clear color-coded packaging. Systemize your cable hanging with DEWALT ToughWire. You can find this at acmetools.com or any of their retail locations.